Welcome back, students. Today's lecture is on operating profit ratio. As we have started profitability ratios, and in case of profitability ratios, we have covered two ratios, that are gross profit ratio and operating ratio. Third one is operating profit ratio. Operating profit ratio shows the relationship between operating profit and revenue from operation, that is also known as net sales. It is also expressed in terms of percentage. Higher the percentage will be beneficial for the organization. Now, how can we calculate operating profit? Operating profit can be calculated by different formulas. They are: first is gross profit plus other operating incomes minus other operating expenses. Now, what do you mean by other operating incomes? As we have studied in chapter 1, in case of statement of P&L, other incomes are related to commission received, prepaid expenses. They are the other incomes: commission received, interest received on short-term investments. Other operating expenses are commission paid, discount allowed, etc. This can be also calculated with the help of net profit before tax, and in addition to non-operating expenses and deducted non-operating incomes. Now, what do you mean by non-operating expenses and non-operating incomes? Non-operating expenses means the expenses incurred by the organization not for the operation of the business. They are like loss on sale of non-current assets, payment of dividend, payment of loan, interest on loans and advances. And in case of non-operating incomes, they are the incomes which are related to non-operating items like profit on sale of non-current assets. Now, it can be also calculated with the help of revenue from operation. From revenue from operation, if we deduct operating cost, then operating profit can be calculated. Now, I want to tell you one thing: operating profit and operating profit ratio and operating ratios, they are complement to each other. Means the sum of operating profit ratio and operating ratio is 100%. If we deduct any of the ratio from 100, we can easily calculate another ratio. For example, if we want to calculate operating profit ratio, then it will be equal to 100 minus operating ratio. In the same way, if we want to calculate operating ratio, then it will be equal to 100 minus operating profit ratio. I explained you that for calculating percentage, we have to multiply the fraction by 100, and higher the percentage in case of profitability ratios shows the higher efficiency of the business organization. So now we will do practical problem on behalf of this ratio, and the question is on your screen. So in your question, you have revenue from operation, cost of goods sold, wages, office and administrative expenses, selling and distribution expenses, interest on loan, interest on investment, loss by theft. And we have to calculate operating profit ratio. First of all, we have to write the formula, that is operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit upon net sales multiplied by 100. Now we have to calculate operating profit. What is the formula for calculating operating profit? That is revenue from operation minus cost of goods sold minus office and administrative expenses minus selling and distribution expenses according to your question. Wages we will not include because wages are also included in cost of goods sold. Clear? Interest on loan, it is non-operating activity, so we will not consider non-operating activity. In the same way, investment के ऊपर मिला है, that will also non-operating income, we will not consider it. Loss by theft, it is included in COGS. So according to our question, operating profit will be equal to revenue from operation is 47 lakh 99,600 and cost of goods sold is 24 lakh 40,200. Office and administrative expenses is 2 lakh 51,200 and selling and distribution expenses is 4 lakh 50,000. It will comes to, we can also put it in bracket and we can write like this. So the total amount which will come after deducting all these things, it will comes to 16,57,800. Net sales we have given the amount. So now we are putting the value. Operating profit ratio is equal to operating cost 1657,800. Revenue from operation is 47,99,600 multiplied by 100. It will comes to near about 34.54%. I think there is no doubt in this problem. So if I told you to calculate operating ratio, are you able to calculate operating ratio? Operating ratio will be equal to 100 minus operating profit ratio. %, total, and operating profit ratio we have calculated 34.54. It will comes to 46 and here we have to deduct 35.56%. As I told you that operating ratio and operating profit ratio are complement to each other. Sum of these two ratios must be equal to 100. So if we have one ratio, then we can easily calculate another one. So it is all for today's lecture. In next class, we will do net profit ratio. Till then, be safe. Thank you.